Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with the knife block set with Sharpener, a 16-piece collection that promises to transform your kitchen experience. These knives boast razor-sharp blades, making cutting and slicing effortless whether you're a professional chef or a passionate home cook. With a versatile selection of knives, this set simplifies your kitchen tools, ensuring you have the right knife for every task. The ergonomically designed handles provide a comfortable, non-slip grip, fitting perfectly in any hand, so you can chop, slice, and dice with confidence. Plus, these knives are dishwasher-safe and rust-free, making cleanup a breeze and ensuring they remain sharp for years to come. This set isn't just about functionality, it's a perfect gift choice, symbolizing love and the joy of cooking with family and friends. Elevate your culinary skills and create delicious memories with this exceptional knife set. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.